Did you know you can reprogram your mind for success and happiness and completely change your conditioning before you go to bed every single night with only a few exercises and in just 10 to 15 minutes? While most people know the power of a morning routine, there is something just as powerful, and that is an evening routine that you can implement every night before you go to sleep. These 5 simple strategies I am about to give you have been proven to reprogram your subconscious mind over time so you can become the person that you wish to become. Before I get into those 5 strategies on how you can reprogram your mind, it is important to understand how it works, to give you a little bit of context, to really help you achieve whatever it is you want to achieve in your life. Now, as you drift off to sleep, there is a part of your brain that turns off. This is known as your conscious mind. But while you go off to sleep, there is a part of your brain that is still operating. In fact, it operates nonstop, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. This is known as your subconscious mind. Scientists have shown that your subconscious mind is responsible for 95 to 99% of everything that you do every single day. Almost every choice you make every day is made not by your conscious mind, but by your subconscious programming. It's also 100 times more powerful than the conscious mind and is a lot more difficult to change as it is a habit mind. But with these 5 secrets and repetition, you can absolutely set yourself up for success every single night by reprogramming your subconscious mind. Here are the 5 ways to get started. Number 1, plan the day. Before you go to bed, plan your tomorrow. Set your intention for how you want to play out tomorrow from start to finish. What time will you get up? What are the most important tasks that you need to do? Because if you want a great morning routine, it actually starts the night before. As Tim Ferriss said, if you want to win the day, you have to win the morning. But in reality, to win the morning, you first have to win the evening. So spend a few moments looking at your day, planning out the biggest things that you need to accomplish to help you reach your goals and dreams. Number 2, review your goals every single night. As I mentioned, the subconscious works through repetition, and if you want to reprogram your mind for success, you have to do it over and over and over again. Just think about when you learned how to drive a car or to first walk. You did it through repetition. Now the same goes for your goals and dreams. You can't set a goal, read it once, and expect it to happen. You need to set your mind up for success by constantly reviewing your goals. Whether you choose to write them down in a journal or look at a vision board and visualize the goals happening, or simply reading them out loud. Remember, the subconscious learns through repetition. By doing this every single night when the subconscious is highly active, you will be implanting the ideas and the goals that you need before you go to sleep. Because as you sleep, your subconscious will actually help you achieve your goals and find the solutions for you. Number 3, practice gratitude. This doesn't need to be a lengthy exercise. High-performance author Jack Canfield talks about the importance of gratitude before going to bed, whether it's simply sending an email to a friend or family member, sending a text message to someone, or to even state gratitude out loud for your health, your well-being, or to your spouse or anyone else that you live with. By practicing gratitude, you're programming your mind to think in abundance and not scarcity. You will be programming your mind to be thinking about the opportunities and being grateful for everything that you have. By practicing gratitude on a daily basis, especially before you go to sleep every single night, you are setting yourself up for success. Number 4, ask your subconscious mind for the answers. As the great inventor Thomas Edison said, Never go to sleep without a request to your subconscious mind. Again, he recommends this because as you sleep, your subconscious is wide awake. So instead of going to bed worrying and thinking about the bills you need to pay, or how you might have screwed something up at work, or how your life isn't going how you want it, instead, think about what you need to do for your life to change. Is it to make more money? Is it to start that business? Is it to go after your passion project? Whatever it is, think about it and then ask your subconscious by speaking out loud how you can figure out this problem. Think back to the last time that you went to bed with a question and woke up in the middle of the night with an answer. Or as soon as you woke up and you were in the shower, the idea came to you. This is evidence of your subconscious mind working 24/7. So instead of drifting off and going to bed worrying about tomorrow, thinking about a job interview, thinking about the bills that are due, or how hard your life is, pose your subconscious a question. Ask it out loud. Find something that will really help you move your life forward and ask a question about that. It could be your health, it could be your career, it could be your business, it could be a relationship. Address your subconscious out loud before going to sleep and then drift off. Don't try and figure out the answer. Again, your subconscious is 100 times more powerful than your conscious mind. As you drift off, it will get to work. Again, if it doesn't work the first time, give it a few more nights. Keep doing it through repetition, and eventually the answer will find you. Number 5, hypnotherapy. The subconscious mind operates out of programs. And if you want to change the programs, you have to speak in the language that the subconscious speaks. And that is done through hypnotherapy. By taking your brainwaves down to a childlike super learning state of theta brainwaves, you are actually changing the tapes that run the programs of your subconscious mind. Now, you can go to formal hypnotherapy for this and see someone that is certified and has helped others, or you can even find audio online and drift off to sleep listening to what you want to create. Again, doing this with repetition will help you change the programs so that 95 to 99% of your day is operating from the programs of your goals and dreams. Dr. Bruce Lipton has said that this is the #1 way to program your mind while you sleep. There are 5 great strategies you can use to reprogram your mind to achieve whatever you want in life. If you don't want to do all 5, start with just 1 or 2, but know that if you use all 5 on a repetitive basis, that you can change your life forever. You can finally create the life and the business and reach your biggest goals and dreams. But remember, it won't happen overnight. Success isn't overnight. It's up to you to put in the work on a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis to make these dreams come to life. Now, start using these methods, and I promise your life will never be the same.